nigga better keep that iron. And you better stay alarmed, cause I'ma shoot till I hear sirens. I don't shoot from far, get up close and high five. Then all you hear is gotta keep it busy, thick it or a titty. It don't even matter long as that bitch got a switch. She might not have did it, but I saw it. This shit can get retarded, and I ain't never played a bench, nigga. I'm a starter, said I won't, I beg your pardon. Hit him with that hard, or I'm down your block, back and forth like we was arguing. Shout out nigga Moolah, cause my life a movie. I've been doing grown shit since I was a juvie. I've been getting to it, count this paper feeling groovy. And I got a young bitch, if I pull up, she gon' chew me. Yeah, I love the streets, free my nigga Tuesday. He might do some dumb shit by the cops just to lose him. Moving to official, niggas can't even throw the flag. And I don't need a bean, cause nigga we ain't playing tag. Niggas think they sliders out here really looking bad, man. I'm only linking up if you got bodies or a bag. Erky's got me painless, gripping on that stainless. If I don't know you move around, cause I take niggas' faces. I was never basic, and I'm never changing, so I ain't pulling off until somebody hit the pavement. When it get deeper, bitch, I nosedive. Draco get him clothesline. Once you hear that, sound like the nigga Dovine. Been the same since my little bro died. All I know is ghost line, so I ain't letting up till I see touches and a bow tie. And this blicky hold a dozen. Don't make me push that button, and I'm sliding out the cutoff by myself like David Ruffin. Ain't no fighting if I'm clutching. You reaching, then I'm busting, and it's free. My little do it, cause he like it's nothing. Sometimes I'm riding by my dolo, just me and Tony Romo, and I swear he rather had a dick in him like it was homo. Papa Erky grab my mojo, now I'm moving slow mo. Put this pistol to his face, he making faces like a photo.